Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today our topic is quantitative aptitude, and here some questions are given. We have to solve these questions. So now let's start. Our first question is, it's a series is given and the last term of the series is missing and we have to find the term. Now the series is 14, 19, 29, 49, 89 and let's assume that the last term that is missing is x. Now the difference between 19 and 14 is equals to 5. Now the difference between 29 and 19 is equals to 10. Again, the difference between 49 and 29 is equals to 20, and the difference between 89 and 49 is equals to 40. Now we can clearly see that this is 5 into 2, this is 5 into 4, and this is 5 into 8. So clearly we can say that x minus 89 will be 80, because this is 5, 10, 20, 40 and this will be 80. So now x is equals to 80 plus 89, that is equals to 169. So the value of x must be 169. So this is equals to 169, that is option 4. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now let's go to our next question. Here again a series is given and let's consider this term as x. The series is 34, 18, 10 and we can see that the values are decreasing. So 34 minus 18 is equals to 16. Now 18 minus 10 is equals to 8. Now clearly 10 minus x must be 4. So here 18 by 2 is equals to this 8. Now 8 by 2, that must be 4. So x is equals to 10 minus 4, that is equals to 6. So the value of x is equals to 6, that is option 4. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now let's go to our next question. The question is 8, the series is 8, 15, 36, 99 and 288 and the next term is missing. We have to find this term. So let's denote this term as x. Here 5 options are given. So now let's start. Now 8, 15, 36, 99, 288 and then there is x. Now the difference between 8 and 15 is plus 7. The difference between 15 and 36 is plus 21. Now the distance is plus 63. This difference is plus 189 and this difference must be plus 567 because the difference between the consecutive term keeps multiplying by 3. So the difference between the consecutive terms keep multiplying, this keep on multiplying by 3. That is 7 into 3 is 21. Again 21 into 3 is 63. This is into 3, this is also into 3. Now 63 into 3 is equals to 189, and 189 into 3 is 567. So this term x must be 855. So option 3, that is 855, is the correct answer. So this is our answer. Now our next question is, two numbers are such that the sum of twice the first number and thrice the second number is 36, and the sum of thrice the first number and twice the second number is 39. Now it's said that there are two numbers are such that the sum of twice the first number and thrice the second number is 36, and the sum of thrice the first number and twice the second number is 39. Now we have to find which is the smaller number. So at first we have to find out the numbers. So let the numbers be x and y. Let the numbers be x and y. Now it's said that sum of twice the first number and thrice the second number, that is 2x plus 3y, is equals to 36. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 36, and let's take it as equation 1. And it was again given that sum of thrice the first number and twice the second number, that is 3x plus 2y, is equals to 39. So 3x plus 2y is equals to 39, and let's consider it as equation number 2. So on multiplying the equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3, we can write it as 4x plus 6y is equals to 72, and 9x plus 6y is equals to 117. Now on subtracting, and let's take it as equation number 3 and this as equation 4. Now on subtracting, we can get that 5x is equals to 45. 5x is equals to 45, or from this we can say that x is equals to 9. So the first term, that was x is equals to 9. Now putting the value of x in any equation, in any 4 equations, we can get that. Okay, let's take the first equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 36, and putting the value of x as 9, 2 into 9 plus 3y is equals to 36. That means 3y is equals to 18. So from this we can say that y is equals to 6. So we get the value x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 6. Now the smaller one is y is equals to 6. So 6 is the smaller number. That so here option 5, that is none of this, is the correct answer. So the smaller number is 6 and this is the answer. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, the question is, the difference between the present age of Arun and Deepak is 14 years. So the difference between the present ages of Arun and Deepak is 14 years. Now 7 years ago the ratio of their ages was 5:7 respectively. 7 years ago the ratio was 5:7 respectively. Now we have to find what is the Deepak's present age. So we have to find Deepak's present age. So now let's start. Let the present age of Arun and Deepak be x year and y year respectively. Now from this we can say that y minus x is equals to 14 because the difference was given, that is 14. So x is equals to y minus 14. And the ratio before 7 year was given, that was 5:7. So from this we can say that x minus 7 by y minus 7 is equals to 5/7. Now by solving this equation we can write it as 7x minus 49 is equals to 5y minus 35. Now again from this we can write 7 into y minus 14 minus 49. We are putting the value of x that we derived before, x is equals to y minus 14. So we just put the value here, that minus 49 is equals to 5y minus 35. Now we are presenting the equation in terms of y. So from this we can write 7y minus 98 minus 49 is equals to 5y minus 35. Again from this we can write 7y minus 5y, that is equals to 98 plus 49 minus 35. From this we can write y is equals to 56 years. So from this we can say that y is equals to 56 years, that is the age of Deepak. So here option 5, that is 56 years, is the correct answer.